What's up, beauty? This is my Christmas outfit. I just thought I'd try and come up with some different outfits for all of these videos. I am doing a video every day for December and I am super excited to do it. So if you guys are new here, welcome, and if you've been here before, welcome back. My name is Manders. We do a lot of beauty related videos. I love doing product reviews. I love reviewing new makeup. I love unboxings, and I usually drop things. So if you're interested in that stuff, make sure you stick around. So we are doing some of my favorite products. So these are not necessarily makeup products. These are actually not makeup products. They're just other types of products that I've been using a lot that I really wanted to share with you guys, because some of them are products that I've received from subscription boxes I bought to review on my channel that I have been using for a little while. So we're just gonna get right into it. The first item is this Haircare. I think that's how you say it. This is their leave-in conditioner. I've been using this a lot lately. The winter months are here. You can hear the wind howling in the background. We're having the craziest snowstorm here. But yes, so I have been using this a little bit more than I was before, and I'm actually really enjoying it. So I am going to keep using it. So it's going to stay in my pile of things for this month as well. And we'll see sort of how much farther down I can get. So I might even mark it with a permanent marker so that I can see my progress. So because I'm doing that now, like I'm tracking what I use, like I'm writing down the products I use so that I know how many times I'm using them, so that I know like what I need to use in my collection. Let me know if that's sort of something you're interested in me showing you what I've been doing. So let me know. So first product, awesome, been enjoying it a lot. Next product, this actually was sent to me for review from Influencer, so I will make sure I link them down below. I'll link my link. If you are on there, you can follow me. This was my Dove Vox Box. So this is the body wash mousse. So I have been loving this. So it is a body wash. It's also a shave. So it's for shave and shower. So it's also like a shaving foam. And I actually really like it. It has a nice fresh scent. It is very foamy, but I really like it. It's got nice sturdy packaging, and it a little bit goes a long way. So I have been really digging this product. So this is definitely something I have been using consistently throughout the month. All right, this is a hand cream. I know I've put this in a favorites before, but I've been using it so much lately, especially like it's winter, like my skin is chapped. Like the skin around my hands right now is so gross. It's just, oh, I've been using this so much lately. This is by Rituals. This is their Ritual of Sakura. Celebrate each day as a new beginning, soothing hand balm. So I have loved this stuff for so long. It came in a Look Fantastic box, I believe. I think it was my first one actually, and I just loved it so much. My skin feels like silk when I'm finished using this. So I really do enjoy it. It's very easy to rub in. And it doesn't leave like a weird residue or anything like that. So
really enjoy this product.
So this is a different type of product, but I am mentioning it. So this is a brush. This has been like my favorite brush for like the entire month of November. This is the Moda Pro, the BMX 466 shade brush. This came in a kit that I received in BoxyCharm, and oh my god, I'm obsessed with this brush. So I was like, I'm putting this one in there. We are talking about favorite products of the month. This brush has made the cut. So I really like this. Let me know if you enjoy these brushes, because they did come in a BoxyCharm a few months ago. I think my last BoxyCharm that I actually received. So I waited to use these for so long, and now I'm like, I could have had months of time with these brushes. Like I love the whole set, but this is the one I use the most, so I wanted to just talk about this one. Another product I'm going to mention that I don't have in front of me, but I forgot to mention in my makeup video, is I am obsessed with my Thrive Cosmetics mascara. I received it in an Ipsy. If you haven't heard of this brand, seriously, I highly recommend maybe checking them out. They're supposed to, I think they're cruelty free. I think they're vegan. It's just the mascara goes on so nicely that I can't. I'm like, why do I use other mascaras? And it comes off easily. It's almost like latex. Like if you get it wet, like it almost like peels off. It clumps off. So it doesn't leave like any smudges like in your skin. I find it's perfect mascara for me. So I wanted to talk about it, but I don't have it in front of me right now because it's downstairs somewhere and I can't remember where I put it. I really hope I find it. So moving on. This is another weird product that we're going to talk about, but I'm going to tell you what sponge I have loved the most this month, and this is this Shop Masse, the Mochi Blend. That's what it's called. I think that these retail, these ones are not $1. These ones are a little bit more. I want to say $2.33 Canadian, but that is still, even if that's what I'm paying for it, that is really, really affordable for a beauty sponge. And these are like, this is it. It's damp and it fits under here. It's a really, really nice sponge and it is soft. And I have to tell you, I have a real beauty blender and I prefer these sponges 100% almost every single time. With that being said, sometimes Shop Masse will change their formulas because I've seen it happen before, but every batch of sponges that I have got from there in the last little bit have been amazing. And part of the proceeds are for a charity, I think. Like, I'm almost 100% positive all of the sponges, or some of the sponges, go towards an animal charity. They're also like, so I said, they're cruelty free, they're vegan, they're good. Love these sponges. I feel like I'm rambling. I'm really sorry. This, I just wanted to talk about this because it is like one of my favorite oils, but I had like such a love-hate relationship with this oil when I first tried Young Living, that I used the oil Valor 2 because there was a time where one of the ingredients for Valor was basically becoming endangered. So if they were going to continue harvesting and making the essential oil, basically it put the species at risk of becoming endangered. So Dr. Gary Young, I guess he discontinued Valor. And it's one of the most popular things, but he made Valor 2. So it was very close to this one, but it was different. And so when I first started with Young Living, or just started using Young Living's products, Valor wasn't available. So I had Valor 2 given to me and I fell in love with it. So when Valor came back in stock, I, for some reason, was like, I didn't love it as much, but lately I have just been dying for this scent. So I can't remember all that's in it, but it just is supposed to promote courage and positivity within yourself. And that to me just says so many positive things like that. Like, that just makes me happy. I know somebody who and you see it has a little bit of blue tansy in it, so it's got a dark. This is diluted because it is a roll-on, so it is okay to put just on your skin. I know somebody that when she does like presentations, she gets so nervous that she uses this, and I've seen her do it, and bless her heart, like, she's so good at speaking, but she just gets so nervous, and she swears that this oil helps her. And that just, like, to me, that, there you go, drop something. That to me is one of the reasons why I fell in love with essential oils, and why I fell in love with the Young Living ones especially. Probably because of the people I've met through all of that. I feel like I rambled for a really long time there. Sorry, I'm trying something new. Let me know in the comments below. Like, do you like to see other things that I like? I know a lot of people have said essential oils. Talk about your essential oils. Talk about the crystals. Like, I'm doing a lot of research right now to try and give you guys more of that stuff. So don't worry, it's coming. Vlogmas, you're going to see things. And that's why, like, I'm talking about it now too. But do you like seeing, like, other weird, like what my favorite sponge was for the month of November? Things like that, because I'm really having fun, and I want to keep having fun, but I also want to make sure that you guys are enjoying what I'm putting out there. So just let me know. So this has just been, I've been keeping this in my purse. It was a hard month for me. And that's okay. That's okay, because I had my Valor, I had all my other essential oils, but that one was like one that I really wanted to put into this. I do have my top 5 oils for the month. That video will be coming up soon, but I really just wanted to shout out Valor for this one. So, all right. Now, next one, setting spray. Because I haven't been filming a lot, I noticed I haven't been using my setting spray on film, because I just don't, it's a step that I do like off camera usually. So my MAC Fix Plus, I have been loving this lately. Well, actually, this is the only setting spray I've been using lately, so I need some new setting sprays to use. I know I want to check out Gerard Cosmetics. I know that they have a Cyber Monday sale coming, so I might be able to check out some of theirs, but if I can't, I don't know what I'm gonna do, because I love this stuff so much, but I want to find something else to try and see if I like it as much. All right, next up, I have been loving my Blistex Lip Medics. this month my lips have been hating my life, so this has been a savior. This is honestly one of those products that I use every year, and it always works better than anything else I use. It is medicated, so be mindful of that, but for cracked dry lips, it heals and soothes so freaking fast, it is ridiculous. So just keep that in mind if you're ever suffering from really bad chapped lips. So this next one was a sample sent to me from Topbox. This is the Laneige Water Bank Moisture Cream for normal to dry skin. This bad boy has been freaking awesome. I used it all up like as quickly as I could because I was like, this is amazing. Like, it was really hydrating. It really made my face feel nice. It had a really pleasant scent. So I was throwing it in there. It's going to go into an empties as well, but I wanted to give it a shout out for being a favorite of this month because I did finish up some skincare products. So I'm using up my samples now to see which ones of those I like so that I can figure out what I'm going to buy for my next actual moisturizer, because right now I've used all the ones I have for the most part, so I'm just kind of using all the other stuff that I have in my collection. So shout out for this one, and shout out to Topbox because they're pretty awesome. All right, this is the last product for this video. So this is my Touch in Soul No Pore Blend Primer. Love-hate relationship again. One minute I hate it, the next minute I love it. It's almost empty. I'm getting there. I use it all the time. I'm like, why do I not like this sometimes? But this month has just been my month. It's working for me. It's making my skin look good. It's making my makeup last, not over it. It helps it to not overemphasize things. So I gotta give you a little bit of a shout out there. Touch in Soul. I do enjoy this. I got this in a BoxyCharm. I don't know what I'm going to do when I run out. I don't know. I don't know what I'm going to use. So let me know if you know an alternative to this that is a little bit more affordable, that is similar, and what your thoughts are on it. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today. I hope you enjoyed this type of video. Let me know in the comments below. Are you enjoying Vlogmas so far? Do you like my crazy Christmas outfits? I am like the most anti-Christmas person in general, so that's why this is kind of funny, but I'm doing this more for me. Like, I want to be with you guys every day. I want to hang out with you guys every day. I want you to see sort of like what I'm loving right now and some fun makeup looks. So stick around if you are ready for those. So thank you guys so much for hanging out with me again. I absolutely adore all of you, and I will see you in my next one.